Hi, this is Dan from Acoustic Sound Panels. We're here at the Terrace Cantina in Oak Brook, Illinois. The food here is amazing. The only problem is the waiters can't hear what the customers are ordering. The bartenders can't hear what their people want to drink. And so they called us. We're going to fix that problem. We have a plan. We're going to put panels around the perimeter of the walls. We're going to put panels on the ceiling, and we're going to make it a much more enjoyable experience. As you can hear it in the background, there's definitely a need for us. So I'm excited to take you on this journey with us. This is the before, and then we're going to do an after, and we'll see you soon. Okay, here we are, day 2 at the Terrace Cantina, and I wanted to show you the incremental improvement of the panels as we complete the install. So today is step 2, where it's just the walls have been completed, and then tonight the installers are going to come in and then they're going to finish the ceiling. We expect this to be perfect, and it's going to be a better experience for everybody, for the staff, the customers, and ultimately the owners. All right, stay tuned. So here it is. It's a busy Friday night. There's panels on the ceiling, overhead, on the wall, around the perimeter, and you'll notice that the entire noise floor of the venue has been lowered. In an untreated space, what happens is people can't hear each other talk, so they'll talk louder, and then the people next to them will talk louder, and it exponentially raises the sound of the entire restaurant, which is no good. We treated the sound using 2-inch thick acoustic panels fabric wrapped with Guilford of Maine FR-701. And if you notice, there's a custom printed panel featuring the logo of a liquor sponsor, which is a great way to finance the project. As a matter of fact, the sound absorption is so good at the Terrace Cantina now, they can feature live music and host DJ nights without the sound being ear-piercingly loud to its guests. If you or anybody you know can benefit from the quality acoustic treatments that we provided to the Terrace Cantina in Oak Brook, Illinois, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website, acousticsoundpanels.com.